What's up, guys? My name is Zach Stevens here with United RV. Right behind me here we have the 2025 Forest River Grand Surveyor. This model's the 275 FKBS, currently $20,000 off MSRP. Let's check it out. All right, guys, right when you step inside this Surveyor, you step right into your residential style kitchen. You can have your Furrion stovetop and oven, Furrion microwave, tons of storage and cabinetry above and below. Over here, you're gonna have your pantry, tons of storage space to store necessities, 12-volt fridge freezer combo by Furrion. All right, guys, right when you step outside the kitchen here, you get into the living space. This living space is on a slide, so it maximizes the space in this area. Over here, you're gonna have your dinette, super easy to convert down into a bed for additional guests. Guys, let's check out the master bedroom area here real quick, passing through the bathroom, stand-up shower, skylight, plenty of cabinetry for storage. Check it out. All right, here's the master bedroom. The master bed's gonna be on a slide, maximizing that space. It's gonna be a true king-size bed here. Tons of storage under this as well. Second AC units located up there. Second thermostats here. Built-in Furrion fireplace. Runs on electric, multiple settings. More cabinetry and storage space here. Bed slide out is gonna be here. All right, guys, if you thought the inside was cool, let's check out the outside. Top quality construction. You're gonna have your laminated sidewalls, rear wall slide outs, and floor here. 400-watt solar package on board. You're gonna have your power tongue jack, tankless water heater. I can't stress this unit enough. Tons of other features. Best thing to do is come here today. It's on the showroom floor here at United RV. Come check it out for yourself.